In this video, we will show you how to install Node.js on Windows. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Then search for Download Node.js. And click Download Node.js. Next, click the Windows Installer.msi button. Wait until the download process is complete. After that, open the Downloads folder. Then double-click the node version.msi file. Follow the installation steps as shown in the video. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Finally, open Command Prompt. Type node -v, then press Enter. Next, type npm -v, then press Enter. If the result looks like this, it means you have successfully installed Node.js on Windows. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section.